Wildfire smoke. It's currently affecting millions of people and millions of dogs and cats. Here's what you can do to help your pet. Hello, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. If you've yet to do so, I encourage you to click up there to subscribe, and then when you click that link directly in the box below, I can send you a copy of my free book. Right now, much of Eastern Canada, much of the Eastern US, we're blanketed with smoke. Millions of acres of forest burning in Canada, affecting wide swaths of the continent. It contains an array of different fine particulate matter, as well as other gases. It is seriously poor air quality. Some estimates say that it's the same as you smoking a pack of cigarettes versus spending the day outside in this kind of air. So your dog, your cat, they're going to breathe that in, that fine particulate matter, it settles within their lungs, serious lung inflammation. Secondarily, it can be extremely irritating to the eyes. The brachycephalic breeds, the breeds with the pushed in faces, they're at extremely high risk. So the obvious suggestions, which I'm sure you've heard from umpteen people, don't exercise your dog when there's excessively smoking conditions. You're just going in, you're going out, you're going to the bathroom. You're avoiding any type of strenuous exercise. Keeping your windows closed. Trying to keep your house as smoke-free as possible. So don't be burning candles, avoid using the frying pan, even avoid vacuuming if you can. And think about trying to minimize the amount of fine particulate matter, anything that's going to be airborne in the air, that's going to make it more difficult for your dog or cat to breathe. A few people have asked me about masks, like should I be considering putting a mask on my dog? The masks, they're not properly designed for our dogs. Hence, they're not offering any benefit at all, and if anything, could actually make the clinical signs even worse. If your pets are affected by wildfire smoke, here are 5 home remedies I think you should consider. Number 1, steam therapy. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhaling steam from a boiling pot of water, hot shower, even a heated vaporizer, that can do some wonderful things for the lungs. In doing that, it can actually open the airways, help loosen and clear mucus in the lungs. If you have a heated vaporizer, great, just go and use that. Or secondarily, just bring your dog into the bathroom and crank up that hot shower and just really fog up the bathroom. Have your dog breathe that in, can really provide some great relief. This is a little inexpensive vaporizer, can really make a big difference. If you can, get yourself one of these. This is an air purifier. They're not inexpensive. This one costs a few $100s. But it can do a pretty good job of filtering out all that fine particulate matter. One of the suggestions was dedicating a room where you're going to put that air purifier in. But I'll just show you how much dust and smoke this thing is filtered. It's got this filter in it, which I think I can take out. Here it is here. I mean, look at that. Look at all that dust it's filtering out. Number 3, the University of Tufts, they're suggesting you should be drinking more of this. This is green tea. Green tea in particular, it is packed with antioxidants, provides a great anti-inflammatory basis, help decrease all that damage that's happening in the lungs. Not only that, there's some research saying that it actually could be protective against wildfire smoke damage. I like it because it's inexpensive, it's readily available to all of us. It's an easy thing to give to your pets. So what I suggest is make yourself a cup of green tea, 1 cup of hot water, a tea bag, let that sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. Dose your dog at about 1/4 cup of this green tea per 20 pounds of body weight once or twice daily. So what I've done with Tula is just drop in the tea into her water bowl. Number 4, natural anti-inflammatories. The lungs are potentially inflamed, breathing in all that fine particulate matter. It's resting on the surface of the eye. The eyes are inflamed. That's why they're red and weeping. A couple options to consider. Number 1, 95% curcumin. Doses of 50 to 100 milligrams per 10 pounds body weight daily. We now have our own curcumin supplement. This is Dr. Jones's high absorption 95% curcumin. A second great natural option is CBD cannabidiol. A standard pet anti-inflammatory CBD dose. It is 3 milligrams per 10 pounds of body weight. I'll be giving that twice daily. And a great symptomatic remedy for natural cough relief, it's this, honey. It works far better than dextromethorphan. That's the over-the-counter cough syrup. Very safe, great anti-inflammatory properties, great antibacterial properties, super soothing for the throat, and our pets like it. A standard dose, about 1/2 teaspoon per 10 pounds of body weight once or twice daily. You can mix it in water. You can mix it in green tea, which is a great option because it also has some antibacterial properties, anti-inflammatory properties in that green tea. Or you can just put some on a spoon and let your dog lick it. But what if your dog's eyes are affected as well? head up to the pharmacy, go get yourself some Clear Eyes, some Visine. I really like these Clear Eyes as an option for dogs with inflamed eyes. You're just putting in 1 drop into the affected eye, and you can safely do that 4 times a day. This green tea, this can also be safely put into the eyes, and it can also really work well decreasing inflammation. I would suggest making a fresh batch daily. Draw a small amount up into the syringe, because you're also going to be giving it to your dog orally. You're going to help with their lungs, but also use some of it to help their eyes. 1 to 2 drops into those affected eyes. You can safely do that 4 times a day. If your pets are affected by wildfire smoke, I encourage you to consider some of those options. It could be as simple as brewing up some green tea. You consume some green tea. Your dog consumes some green tea. You both get green tea drops in your eyes. Thanks so much for watching this edition of Veterinary Secrets of how you can help your pets with wildfire smoke. Click up there to subscribe, hit the bell to sign up for notifications, and then when you click that link directly in the box below, I can send you a copy of my free book.